Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the scanning downturn volume control settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So what you guys want to do first is go over to System Manager mode in the website. Now enter your remote UI access pin. So for me it is 1234. But if you changed it, then it might be different. So if you forgot yours, then you guys can set it up again in the printer. Let's click on login. And here, let's click on settings and registration. Here, let's go over to sound volume control settings. Basically, they are not available in the printer and they are only available here because the preferences settings and at accessibility, not the availability. Here, let's go to edit, and here we will have our scanning downtone. So I like to keep it only when any error occurs, and I keep it at 1 because my TX downtone is at 2 and RX is at 3. So that makes a little bit of a combination between those sounds and their volumes. And basically I'll just click OK, and as you guys can see, now everything is set up. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.